Welcome to my class. This class is for class 10 and in this video we are going to discuss the chapter Quadratic Equations and we'll be discussing the basic concepts from this chapter. We'll be discussing some questions from the text as well as from previous year's question papers and solve the questions in detail. That is, understanding the concepts clearly, we'll solve the questions. Okay, so let us start now, and before starting, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and do like the video if you like my class, and please do share with your friends so that others can also benefit. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I upload the videos. I am planning to upload as many questions as possible from the previous year's question papers. Okay, so let us start solving the questions now. And do you know what is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. Why is it called a quadratic equation? This is of degree 2. So it is called a quadratic equation. And why is it given that a is not equal to 0? Because if we put a equal to 0, then this will become 0x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is, this is of the forms bx plus c equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? No, this is a linear equation. Now, we'll see some examples to check whether a given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, first question is check whether this equation is quadratic. So, we can solve this by expanding this. Left hand side is x square, x minus 2 the whole square is, it is of the form a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, x square minus 2 into 2x, that is 4x, plus 2 square, that is 4. Then plus 1 is there, is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, so bringing this to the left hand side, we have x square minus 4x plus, this is 5, minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to x square. We can write implies. So this implies x square minus, now add the x terms, minus 4x and minus 2x is minus 6x, and adding constants we have 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. We have checked this, and this is a quadratic equation. Okay, next one is we'll check whether this is a quadratic equation. So solve this left hand side. We have to write implies x into x plus 1 is x square plus x, right? That is, x into x is x square, then x into 1 is x. So x square plus x plus 8 is equal to, and this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. So this is equal to x square minus b square is 2 into 2, that is 4. X square minus 4. So we can take this to the left hand side. So this implies x square plus x plus 8 minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0, right? So this x square and minus x square will get cancelled, and this is the same as x plus 12 equal to 0, which means this is a linear equation. This is not a quadratic equation because this is of degree 1. So this is not a quadratic equation. Okay. This seems to be a quadratic equation, but this x square and x square minus x square will get cancelled. So this is not a quadratic equation. Next one is x into 2x plus 3 equal to x square plus 1. So we can simplify this. X into 2x is 2x square plus 3 into x is 3x. We can write implies 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1, which implies 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So 2x square minus x square is x square, then x term is plus 3x and constant is minus 1 is equal to 0. So is this a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation. So x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1 is a quadratic equation. Okay. Next one is x plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube minus 4. Is this a quadratic equation? We can expand this. So we can write implies, what is a plus b the whole cube? It is a cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b, that is 3 into x square into 2 plus 3ab square, that is 3 into x into b square is 2 square. Okay, plus b cube, that is 2 cube is equal to x cube minus 4. Okay, now this implies x cube plus 3 into 2 6, 6x square plus 3 into 2 square, that is 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 into x plus 2 cube is 8 is equal to x cube minus 4. Okay, now we can take this right hand side to the left hand side. So we'll get x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus x cube plus 4 is equal to 0. Right? So x cube and minus x cube will get cancelled. And this is 6x square. X square term is 6x square. Then 12x. So plus 12x. And 8 plus 4 is 12. So 6x square plus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Next one is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So we can write this as x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Then minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x. Right? So bringing this to the left, this is implies, okay. So bringing this to the left hand side, we have x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. Right? So this implies x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation. Understood? Next one, x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. You have to check whether this is a quadratic equation. So, expanding this we have x square plus 2x plus 1. That is, x plus 1 the whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, this is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. So bringing this to the left hand side, we have x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this 2x and minus 2x will get cancelled. So we have x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, we have x square term. So this is a quadratic equation. Next is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So we can write this as x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square is a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. So bringing this to the left hand side, we have x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies this x square and minus x square will get cancelled. 3x plus 4x is 7x. 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So is this a quadratic equation? No, because x square term is not there. So this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so hope you have understood how to check whether a given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So we'll proceed to the next section, that is how to find roots of quadratic equation. What is meant by finding roots of quadratic equation? What is root? It is solving for x for a given equation. If we solve for x, that is called root. The value of x is called root. So you have understood what is root, right? It is the value of x. Okay. Now we will see how to find roots of quadratic equation. So we know what are roots of an equation, of a quadratic equation. That is, the value of x is called the root. Now in this chapter there are three methods to find roots of a quadratic equation. First method is factorization. That is splitting the middle term. And second method is completing the square. And third method is by applying quadratic formula. But this method is removed from the syllabus. So we'll be doing by factorization method and by using quadratic formula. Okay, so first we'll see some examples of how to solve a quadratic equation by this first method, that is factorization method. Okay, we'll do that now. Some of these questions are taken from the text and some are taken from previous year's question papers. Okay, so we'll do that now. First question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is, we are applying factorization method to find roots of this quadratic equation. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So we can split it as 2x square minus. So we can do it like 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Because minus 5x is minus 2x minus 3x. So if we take 2x outside, we'll have x minus 1, that is 2x. If we take 2x from this, we have x here, and if we take 2x from this, we have minus 1 here. And we can take minus 3 as common from this. So minus 3, and taking minus 3 outside, we have x here and minus 1, because minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to write implies. This implies 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. And this means 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to 3. That is, x is equal to 3 by 2. And x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So x equal to 3 by 2 and x equal to 1 are the roots of this quadratic equation. You can check that. If we put the value of x as 1, we have 2 minus 5 plus 3. 2 minus 5 plus 3 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, which is correct. Now if we put the value of x as 3 by 2, we have 2 into 3 by 2 square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3. Okay, so 2 into 9 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. And that is equal to, this is 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 is minus 6 by 2 plus 3. So minus 6 by 2 plus 3 is minus 6 plus 6 by 2, which is equal to 0. So 3 by 2 is also a root of this quadratic equation. Okay. Next question is find the roots of 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0 by the method of factorization. Okay. So we can split the middle term as plus 3x minus 4x, right? So 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. So this implies here 3x is common in both these terms. So we can take 3x outside and 3x into, if we take 3x outside, here it will be 2x plus 3x, if we take 3x outside, here it will be plus 1, and from this we can take minus 2 outside. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And that means 3x minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And so this means 3x minus 2 equal to 0 means 3x is equal to 2 and 2x is equal to minus 1, and which implies x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the roots of this equation are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Now we can check this. Checking part. Okay. If we put the value of x as 2 by 3, we have 6 into 2 by 3 square minus 2 by 3 minus 2, which is equal to 6 into 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. 6 3 will go in 6 2 times, 3 will go in 9 3 times. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is 6 by 3 minus 2, which is equal to 6 by 3 is 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is correct. Now x equal to minus 1 by 2. 6 into minus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay, so this is equal to 6 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 2, and 6 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So this is also correct. That is x equal to minus 1 by 2 is also correct. That is minus 1 by 2 is also a root of this equation. That is 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Next one is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the root of this by the method of factorization. Now we can split the middle term as 3x square. So we can write implies minus 2 root 6x is the same as minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now this implies 3x square minus root 6 is same as root 2 into root 3x minus root 2 into root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? So this implies if we take root 3 outside from this and this, we have root 3x. We can take root 3x now. So root 3x into, here root 3x will remain, right? So root 3x minus root 2, right? Now minus, we can take root 2 from these two terms. So minus root 2 into, we can take minus root 2 from both these terms. Okay. So minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Right. So this implies root 3x minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So this is the same as root 3x minus root 2 the whole square is equal to 0. that is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0 is same as root 3x minus root 2 the whole square is equal to 0. So this implies root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, which means root 3x is equal to root 2 and root 3x is equal to root 2. Okay, so this implies x equal to root 2 by root 3 and x is equal to root 2 by root 3. That is, x is equal to, the roots are x equal to root 2 by 3 and root 2 by 3. Okay, so we can check this now. 3 into root 2 by root 3 square is 2 by 3. So 3 into 2 by 3 minus 2 root 6 into root 2 by root 3 plus 2. Okay, so this gets cancelled and here 2 minus root 6 is same as 2 into root 3 into root 2 into root 2 by root 3 plus 2. Right? So this is equal to 2 minus, this will get cancelled and root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 2 minus 4 plus 2 which is equal to 4 minus 4 which is equal to 0. So the roots of this equation are root 2 by 3 and root 2 by 3. Okay. Next question is find the roots of this equation by the method of factorization. So we can write this as root 3. We can split the middle term as root 3x square minus 3x plus x. Minus 3x plus x is minus 2x. Minus root 3 is equal to 0. So this implies we can take root 3 outside, root 3x from this, root 3x, right? So x will remain minus root, if we take root 3x here, what will remain? Root 3 will remain. Okay, now plus 1 into x minus root 3 is equal to 0, which implies root 3x plus 1 into x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Right? So this implies root 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this implies root 3x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to root 3. That is, here x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and x is equal to root 3. We can check this again. If we put the value of x as minus 1 by root 3, we have root 3 into minus 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 2 into minus 1 by root 3 minus root 3 is equal to 0, root 3. And it is equal to root 3 into 1 by 3. Minus 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. Plus 2 into minus 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3. Minus 2 into minus 1 by root 3 is plus 2 by root 3, right? So this minus root 3, which is equal to root 3 by 3 is 1 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3 minus root 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 by root 3 is 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 minus root 3. And what is 3 by root 3? 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So, root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So, this 1 root 3 will get cancelled. So, we have root 3 minus root 3 which is equal to 0. So, the roots of this are minus 1 by root 3 and root 3. We can check for root 3 also. Root 3 into root 3 square is 3 minus 2 into root 3 minus root 3. That is 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is, this is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3, then minus root 3 which is equal to 0. So, the roots of this equation are minus 1 by root 3 and root 3. Okay. Now, next question is we can solve this by the method of factorization. abx square plus b square minus ac into x minus bc equal to 0. So, what we have to do is first we can expand this. So, this implies abx square plus b square x minus ac x minus bc is equal to 0. Okay. So, we can take b and x common from this, right? From these two terms we can take b and x as common. So taking bx outside, and what is remaining here? Ax. And what is remaining here? B. Right? Now we can take c from this, minus c. Okay, minus c into ax plus b. If we take minus c outside, we will have plus b. So, ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay. Now, this implies bx minus c into ax plus b is equal to 0. Understood? So, this implies bx minus c equal to 0 and ax plus b is equal to 0, which implies bx minus c is equal to 0 means bx is equal to c and ax is equal to minus b, and this implies x equal to c by b and x is equal to minus b by a. Okay, now for the checking part, AB into, if we put c by b, value of x as c by b, we have AB into c square by b square plus b square minus ac into c by b minus bc. Okay, so this is equal to c square a plus b square into c by b is bc. Then minus AC into C by B is AC square by B. This is C square A by B. Okay, C square A by B plus B square into C by B. B square into C by B is nothing but BC, because one B will get cancelled. Then minus AC square by B. Nothing will get cancelled. Then minus BC. Okay. Now C square A by B minus, this is also C square A by B. So minus C square A by B and C square A by B will get cancelled. And this is equal to BC minus BC, and this is equal to 0. So this is correct. X equal to C by B is correct. Now if we put minus B by A in place of X, we have AB into minus B by A square is B square by A square. Then plus B square minus AC into minus B by A minus BC. Okay, so this is equal to A, 1A will get cancelled. So this is equal to B cube by A, then plus B square into minus B by A is minus B cube by A. Then minus AC into minus B by A is plus, minus into minus is plus, then A by A will get cancelled. So this is equal to BC plus BC, and this is minus BC. So this is equal to 0. So x equal to minus B by A is also correct. Okay. Now we are going to solve this equation by the method of factorization. Okay. This is a bit tough, but we are going to solve it. 4x square minus 4a square x plus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 equal to 0. So we can write this as 4x square minus 2a square x minus 2a square x plus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. And this implies 4x square minus, so we can take 2x as common from this. So we can write this as 2x into, if we take 2x common here, 2x is there, then minus, if we take 2x, we have minus a square, right? And here, then we can take a square. A square is common in both these terms. So, we can take a square, minus a square. Okay. So, if we take minus a square, we have 2x. Then, minus a square is there here. Okay. So, we have taken minus a square common from these two terms. And what is remaining? Minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So, this implies 2x minus a square into 2x minus a square minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. Right? So, this implies 2x minus a square the whole square minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. And this is of the form a square minus b square. A is where a is equal to, we can write a like this, a is equal to 2x minus a and b is equal to b square, right? So a square minus b square is nothing but 2x minus a the whole, a is 2x minus a square. So a square minus b square is 2x minus a square the whole square minus b raised to 4. B square is b raised to 4. So this is of the form a square minus b square. And what is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. Right? So this implies a plus b, that is a is 2x minus a square, then plus b square, isn't it? Because b is b square. So 2x minus a square plus b square into a minus b is 2x minus a square minus b square, which implies 2x minus a square plus b square is equal to 0 and 2x minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Right? This implies 2x is equal to a square. If we take plus b square to the right hand side, we have a square minus b square and 2x is equal to a square plus b square. Right? So, this implies x is equal to a square minus b square by 2 and x is equal to a square plus b square by 2. So, the roots of this equation are a square minus b square by 2 and a square plus b square by 2. Okay, understood? So, what we have done is we have split it into minus 4a square x into minus 2a square x minus 2a square x, because minus 2a square x minus 2a square x is minus 4a square x, right? And we have taken 2x common from these terms. So we have 2x into 2x minus a square and a square from these two terms. So we have minus a square, that we have taken minus a square. Okay. So minus a square into 2x, then minus a square, because minus a square into minus a square is plus a raised to 4. Then minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. So this is the same as 2x minus a square into 2x minus a square minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. Right? Understood till here? Okay. Now, this is the same as 2x minus a square the whole square minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. And this is of the form a square minus b square, where a is equal to 2x minus a square and b is equal to b square. Okay, so a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is equal to 2x minus a square plus b square. That is a plus b. That is 2x minus a square plus b square. And a minus b is 2x minus a square minus b square. Okay, so this is the same as 2x minus a square plus b square equal to 0 and 2x minus a square minus b square is equal to 0, which implies 2x is equal to, when we take this minus a square to the right hand side, we will have a square, and if we take this plus b square to the right hand side, we will have minus b square. So 2x is equal to a square minus b square, and here 2x is equal to, if we take minus a square to the right hand side, we have plus a square, and minus b square to the right hand side, we will have plus b square. So 2x is equal to a square plus b square. So we have x is equal to a square minus b square by 2 and a square plus b square by 2. So these are the roots of this equation, and we have solved this by the method of factorization. Okay.